Back in the shop, take a look at this. So first of all, it is a 2008 Ford Escape. Looks pretty good, actually. I think it'll clean up really, really well. Once I get a rinseless done on it, those headlights look glorious. And the wheels look really good. It's the inside that's a little bit of an issue, but it shouldn't be too bad. So I'm here temporarily, and then I'm going to go do some Uber, and then I'll be back tonight. Look at that nasty thing. Seems to be the only door with the grossness. I have the hiccups again. Can you believe that? It does. It looks like this driver's side is the worst as far as dirty surfaces and such. The steering wheel doesn't look too bad, but I mean, because I've seen much, much worse. But as you can see, it is gross. Anyway, these are going to be the problem. So I think if I can do some wiping down before I leave about 4:30, what I'll do is spray these seats and let them sit while I'm gone doing Uber. This is not too bad. Oh, so this is not too bad. It's got some icky spots, but it's definitely not bad. Look at that seat. So our problem's going to be the seats. And ew. Freaking ew. God. I'm amazed. It doesn't look like we're dealing with anything horrible as far as the carpets are concerned either. This looks like pretty normal. See, this one's not bad. Bella was in the back seat, so obviously we're going to have some of that. Now, when I'm done, it is going to stay here. Looky there. Now, this is a Ford. Ford and Chevys are the worst. So, as far as getting cloth seats clean, they're just the worst. I'm telling you, my experience is they are the worst. Oh, let's look. Not too bad. We'll put some cleaner in it and get the brush out. They'll be fine. Now, this back hatch will not open, but the glass will open. And that doesn't look bad. I'll just pull those out. I'll have to work around it. My dad will be here tomorrow or Monday to work on the hatch. Yeah, see, it's that driver's side that's the worst. Now, when my dad goes to work on problems like that back hatch and all, look at that. I swear. Anyway, so when he goes to work on that back hatch and stuff, things like that, what he'll do is he'll look up online and see what the common problems are and how they are remedied. This is just gross. So I'll definitely soak this one down really good. But it's going to sit most of the weekend, and it's supposed to get cold on Sunday and Monday. Then it'll warm back up, and I got to show you that again because damn. There you go. See, it's just that driver's side that be looking nappy. So that tells you, I mean, when you look at the condition of the vehicle, this could be animals, grandkids, you know what I mean? We'll just have to see. This could be like, I see this as a grandkid kind of mess. They come in the car 2 or 3 times a week and, you know, make a mess. But the one place that's going to have the most traffic is the driver's seat. Okay, so let's do some wiping down before I got to get on out of here. We don't have much time, but we got about an hour and a half, so we'll see how it goes. It's definitely warm today. It's only about 76, 77 degrees, but you can feel the humidity. I'm going to try to keep the volume down on this video. This is only for members anyway. But the reason why is because McConnell is across the highway and they are racking up some noise, let me tell you. So I jumped in here while I had a quiet time. Now, in order to clean this car, I'm just going to get my little 1-gallon bucket out. I'm going to put some water in it, put some cleaner in it, and we're just going to dip our towel and start wiping. We're just going to make it easy. Alrighty, we're gonna let these seats sit. I'm gonna go do some Uber. Then all I have to do is these seats. I think what I'll do is go ahead and get the steamer ready and steam them up. And then suck all the crap out of it and see where we're at. And then I got a vacuum. But other than that, everything else is pretty much done except windows. I always do those last. But that steering wheel, I thought it was just a discoloration. No, it was icky. Let me take you over there. Look much better. Anyway, look at the steering wheel. It was all brownish and tan, and I thought, oh, that's going to be so gross. And then I realized it was dirt caked on there, and it started coming off in like little roly balls of grossness. So I got the spray out and let it sit for a sec. It's not completely perfect, but my gosh, what a difference. And like I said, this steering wheel was dirty. I'd worked on plenty of them. And even though it wasn't as dirty as some, it was still dirty to the point it looked tan. Well, now it's beige, like it's supposed to be. So, anyway, I got everything done up here. I got the center washed out, cleaned up. All I have to do is let these seats soak and then vacuum and windows, and it'll be done. Alrighty. So this 2008 Ford Escape is done with the exception of a few things. This hood could use a polisher. Look at that. So I might come back tomorrow and do that. I'm going to talk to my dad first. I got the coating on the headlights. I got a rinseless done on it. It's looking pretty shiny. Pretty spiffy for a little car lot car. Oh my goodness. I'm tired. It's been a long 3 days. So we have a beige steering wheel again. Remember, it was tan. That's what you call dirt. These seats did not do as well as I thought they would, but they look much better. I might stop in tomorrow and check on them just for the sake of it. I mean, you know. Anyway, this vehicle was not in horrible shape. The seats were the problem. Did I show you the driver's door? Not sure that I did. Remember, it was pretty gross. Pretty gross. It's looking pretty gross still, but no, I'm just kidding. No, it looks really good. It cleaned up pretty well. There's a few things that still need to be done, but that's something that I can do just with the extra time. The seat belts are looking a lot better than they were. They were really, really dark, but they are looking a lot better now. And I sprayed some air freshener on the seats while they were super wet to allow that to dry with it. I had to use Dawn dish soap on some of the spots on the back seat. It looks like it worked, but we'll see. I'll check on it. Anyway, for the most part, this vehicle is done. Now it's time for me and Bella to head out in Uber. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful one. Thanks for hanging out with me. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next one, you know how it goes. Peace.